You own a website but are wondering how you can integrate Google Analytics with it. Don't bother, it's very easy. I will show you how. Google Analytics is the most widely used web analytics tool in the world. It gives a very impressive set of features to the website owner. To begin with, it tells the owner the number of visitors to the website. Is the number increasing or is it decreasing? What is the trend? How much is the engagement of the website? What is the time a visitor is spending on the website? How many pages a visitor is browsing through on the website? From where is the visitor coming? Which country, which city, and so on. Which is the browser that the visitor is using? Which is the operating system that the visitor is using? What is the native language of the visitor? A very important metric that Google Analytics gives is the bounce rate. It tells you the engagement level of the website. A low bounce rate is good for the website. A high bounce rate is not good. What does a high bounce rate mean? For example, if the bounce rate is 70%, it means that 70 out of 100 visitors do not bother to go to page 2 of your website. The page through which they enter your website is the page through which they exit your website. Hence, a lower bounce rate means that more people are going through different pages on your website and find your website engaging. Thus, bounce rate is a very important metric to track for a website. Apart from these, there are many other metrics that are provided by Google Analytics. It not only provides metrics on the level of a website, but it also provides metrics on a page level. Google Analytics has some really important features that can make web analytics a cakewalk for those who are interested.